Imagine a world where you're the architect and nature your canvas. Welcome to the realm of gardening. From the humble window box to the sprawling backyard oasis, gardening is an art form that has captivated us for centuries. It's not just about aesthetics. Gardening is a symphony of science, patience, and creativity. It's about understanding the rhythm of nature, the subtle dance between soil, water, and sunlight. And the reward? A blooming marigold, a juicy tomato, or the simple joy of dirt under your nails. So, whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting to explore, remember, every great garden starts with a single seed. Now go create your Eden. This is the power of gardening. Stay tuned for more. Until then, keep growing, keep blooming.